So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create AI playlists on Spotify. If you're tired of spending hours manually searching for songs to build the perfect playlist, Spotify has made that just so easy. First thing first, grab your phone. This AI feature is strictly available on the mobile app for iOS and Android, so it won't show up on your desktop. Open the Spotify app and tap your library tab at the bottom right. Now you can look up and press the top right corner and press that plus button. From the drop-down menu, tap on AI playlist. Depending on your app version, it might also say create with AI. Now for the fun part, Spotify will prompt you to type in the description of the exact vibe, mood or genre you want. You can get super creative here. Type in something like chill songs for a rainy evening, etc. Now, in just a few seconds, Spotify's AI will generate a full list of songs based on your exact vibe. Look through the list, you can easily preview tracks, swipe to remove the ones you hate or manually add your favorites. If the overall vibe is totally off, you can edit your prompt to refine the results. Once it looks perfect, tap save, then give it a custom name and you are ready to hit play. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.